Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome. I am Alejandro Rodriguez, and if you're returning, bitch, grab a motherfucking snack because you already know what's gonna happen. Period. Also today, if you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing my first ever hair tutorial. I'm a little embarrassed because I feel like I don't even know how to do my hair. You know, I don't want to get clogged. It only takes me probably like the most 10 to 20 minutes. It's very easy and on the go, but I really like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys. I already blow dried my hair earlier when I came out the shower. I got beat, you know what it is. I already went to go have my session. Let me give you guys the rundown of how I do my hair. I brush my hair with the wet brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. It was recommended to me by Miss Cynthia, so I went ahead and I picked it up. They're about $10, I believe. I got it at Target, and I got this pink one. I had a black one before, but I ended up breaking it because my man hands, you know, since I'm getting crazy. And I have this pink one now, you know, a vibe. I really like the wet brush. It's really nice, and it doesn't tear out as much hair as a regular brush, if you get what I mean. And after that, when I brush my hair, I put the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. So I put this all over my hair. So I always part my hair differently depending on what the vibe for the day is. But today's vibe, it was very much in the middle. Before I start to blow dry my hair, I put on the Tresemme Keratin Smooth 5 Benefits 1 System. It's a spray basically that you spray away like 7 inches of like away from your face or your hair, whatever. And you spray this and it smells really good. And it's supposed to basically just protect your hair so that it won't damage from like the heat, from the curler, straightener, whatever you're using. After I have put that all over my hair, I start to blow dry my hair. Once my hair is already blow dried, I take my Metrix Biolage smoothing serum, and as you can tell, it's hella out, bitch, because this is really bomb. My aunt gave it to me, so I don't know where she bought it, but I think they have this at Ulta. I'm not sure if they carry this brand, but I think I did see it at Ulta, so you guys can totally check it out. It definitely does leave my hair looking really pretty, and it gives me like a very natural shine. A little does go a long way, and usually I'll put that all around my hair, mostly at the bottom of my hair. So once you have spread it evenly or so, your hair should kind of look like this, or it should kind of look like very flat. So for me, my type of vibe, I like a big curl. I like a really big loose curl because my hair is just really puffy, and after this it's already curly. So I usually always like to go in with this Ion. I think this is I don't remember the size of this one, but it's the biggest curler that they have. It's faster than all the other ones. You kind of can take thicker amounts of hair, wrap it around, and you're out the door a little bit faster. But right now, since I have smaller hair and I don't have as much as I used to, I'm not really into this one right now. I use another one. This one's actually my sister's. This is the one that I use right now. It's kind of like a medium, I would say. So today we're gonna go ahead and use this one because this is the one that works for my hair right now. Ooh, highlight bitch on fleek. Okay. And I usually like to start on with my left side, so I'll go ahead and just grab all this and kind of twist it up towards the top of my head. And you're gonna look like a whole ass señora bitch, but it's okay. You're gonna look a mess, but you're gonna look right when you're done. Trust me.
You look like the girl from Star Wars.
What girl?
The girl with the tube.
Who? Princess Leia?
Yeah, Princess Leia.
Bitch, don't you ever come for me. Why is my hair like that?
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to get it ready, get it cute. Don't laugh at me. Why do you look like that?
No.
Yeah, you look a mess.
Did I look cute?
My hair is my head.
Yeah, you look a mess.
No.
Yeah, girl, get yourself together because you look in a mess. So I grabbed the front part of my hair and just also grab that up and, you know, have like this hairdo moment, bitch. Ojalá que no te vaya a quemar ahí el sillón, ¿eh? Porque...
¿Ya huele?
No, huele, pero no te estoy quemando el sillón, relájate. We're grabbing this wand and twist it around like that. And then leave it for like 15 to 20 seconds and then let it go. Lo voy a quemar. Lo voy a hacer godorneses.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Like I said, you just wrap it around, just the tips. I know it looks a little crusty, but trust me, at the end, it kind of just works out and it kind of just comes in together. It is very effortless. And I really love this look, especially if you're trying to do something on the go. Yes, bitch. Quinceañera. Hey, Miss J. Miss Jackie's in the motherfucking... Y'all heard that bitch? She said, I have entered the building.
She said production is complete.
Like, yeah, she said production is complete. I gotta let these hoes know that we're here. So you see how that just falls naturally, just like that. And then you're gonna get these little ugly pieces when you start to do this to your hair, and that's when you know that you can go ahead and recurl that. So you can just go after that, do it again, let it go, like that. See, and it blends in real good. Ready for a photo, bitch. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to this side. It's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna start with the back of my hair and work my way up to the front to the top.
You guys are gonna look ugly next to each other.
Damn! He went in on your ass.
Shut the fuck up, Tony.
He said you're gonna make an ugly couple with him. Tony, why you gotta be a hater though?
I know, I fucking hate it just because you don't get cooch.
Ooh! She said it, not me, baby. She said it, baby. This is kind of like the most annoying part of my hair because it just kind of curls this way. We take the most annoying part of my hair now, which is usually this one. Wrap that around like so. The annoying ones I leave a little bit longer. Just throw it back. Not like that, bitch. Don't be throwing it back to my couch. Whoop your ass.
Like this on my hair. And when like this, no, I have it.
Security. Production, why is there a child? Ugly. So yeah, this is the final look, and as you guys can see, it's very just, you know, subtle, nothing crazy, very relaxed. I don't like to brush it out, I just like to let it be, because I know after I get ready and when I put on my outfit, it's already kind of like more droopy hair. And if you want to get crazy, you can go ahead and put a little bit of hairspray. I usually don't unless I'm, like I said, feeling crazy, but I usually just leave it like this and I run out the house and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So if you guys have not, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you know when the fuck a bitch is popping up in your motherfucking TL. Have a good day and remember to always wash your hands. I'll catch you guys in my next video.